Hey Glam fam, welcome to the channel. I'm Maddie. I share a ton of amazing things here on my channel that can help to improve your life, your body, everything in every way, shape, or form. So just make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and make sure that you comment some stars down below to let me know that you've officially joined the Glam fam. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video. Now, if you guys are not aware, avocados are great for bum gains due to the omega-3 fatty acids that they contain, and also just the amazing things that are within avocados. This is literally a miracle for you to consume because it has a ton of different benefits. It helps to keep your skin nice and plump with collagen. It also helps to give you a nice and healthy diet in a sense. It helps to balance everything out. You guys, it keeps everything consistent. It keeps everything looking good and feeling good. And I love me some avocado. I have grown to definitely love avocado. I know that a lot of people are not fans of the texture of avocado, and they're not necessarily fans of the taste of avocado. But you guys, avocado is beneficial for a lot of things. And when I mentioned taste, I just thought about this. First of all, avocado barely has a taste, okay? For those of y'all that do not like the taste of avocado, what's the problem? Because it really doesn't have a taste. Now, avocado definitely has a texture to it that a lot of people may not like, which that's a different story for a different day. But it really doesn't have a taste. So for me, whenever it comes to avocado, I love to add in my own flavor. Adding in certain seasonings, adding in, you know, onions, different things of the like. Anyways, I'm going to share with you guys 3 ways to consume avocado. And if you're not a fan of avocado and the texture, this is one of the ways for you to improve and kind of balance out the overall taste of it. Today I have some awesome information for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you all these delicious wraps that you can have each and every single day for bum gains. Now here is an overview of all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. You do not have to have everything shown here, but at least make sure that you have avocados since they are one of the main ingredients in this wrap. Onions contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation, decrease triglycerides, and reduce cholesterol levels, all of which may lower heart disease risk. If you are someone who does not consume onions, well, you might want to get on the bandwagon because they are extremely beneficial for your health and your body. Avocados, the main ingredient within this wrap. Avocado is a great source of monounsaturated fats. These fats will help you gain mass on your buttocks and reduce bad cholesterol in your body. They contain a lot of vitamins, potassium, fiber, and amino acids, all of which can help you to achieve a bigger bum. You guys, if you don't have anything else that is used in this wrap, make sure that you have this because this ingredient is essential. And since my mom is doing all of the arm work when it comes to making this wrap, make sure that you guys head over and subscribe to her channel for awesome beauty hacks, tips, and tricks, and in order to improve your natural beauty. Moving forward, I will be adding in some lime. Now we are simply slicing this lime in half, and we are going to use our lime/lemon squeezer in order to squeeze it into the mixture. If you guys do not have a lime squeezer, make sure that you all check it out down below because it will be extremely beneficial to your life. Now before we squeeze that lime out, it is the avocado time. Now, for those of you guys that are not aware, avocados can only be beneficial to your bum growth journey if you have a great workout routine along with it. So don't think that you're just going to be eating avocados and getting fantabulous results with your bum. No work and you get no results. But if you put in that work, honey, you will get all the results that you desire. And you all, this is also a great way to consume avocado, especially if you're not a fan of the texture or of the taste. It is now time to squeeze out the lime. Now you guys, we are going to be using the yellow section of the squeezer. As you all can see, it has yellow and it has green, and we are using the yellow half, which would technically be for lemons, but hey, we make our own rules around here, right you guys? So all that you want to do is squeeze out those limes, and this is going to add a fantastic punch of flavor. Let me tell you guys, which by the way, don't hesitate to follow me on Instagram, which is flashing across the screen now. Now your girl loves her some spice, so we're kicking it up a notch and we are going to be adding in some jalapenos. Now jalapenos are rich in vitamins A and C and also in potassium. They also have carotene, an antioxidant that may help fight damage to your cells, as well as folate, vitamin K, and B vitamins. Now over here, we love us some sugar, spice, and everything nice. So next up, we're adding in a little bit more spice. We will be adding in some cayenne pepper. Now cayenne pepper helps with keeping your metabolism fast. This helps to keep off all of that extra weight. It can also help in reducing high blood pressure and also increase the production of digestive fluid, send enzymes to the stomach to aid in digestion, and provide extra protection to the stomach against infections. It is super beneficial for the body, and this spice right here gives you an extra health kick. Now for our wraps on today, we are going to be using wraps made out of spinach. If this is too much greenery for you, then you could use any other wrap of your choice. Now spinach has vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and magnesium that support your immune system, which we all know is fantastic for your body, especially during this time. This system keeps you safe from viruses and bacteria that cause diseases. It also defends your body from other things that can hurt you, like toxins. So I'd recommend using the spinach wraps, but then yet again, they are not mandatory for this wrap. And you guys, this is what the final result should look like. You could add meat if you'd like. These were delicious as is to me, but you can also add anything else of your choice. Now, a lot of times in the morning before I go to the gym, I'll have me some avocado toast with my breakfast. Now, this is a great way to get in all those nutrients from avocados and to also have a great energized workout. Now, the breakfast that I have is typically very simple. I love some eggs before I go to the gym, of course, for protein. And I also love a little bit of ham or turkey on the side before I leave. But most importantly, your girl is going to have her avocado toast. Very quick, simple, and straight to the point. An easy avocado toast breakfast for fast bum games. Now my mom actually whipped this up, and you guys, my mom makes the best avocado dip. If you are interested in a new way to make your avocado dip, this is a fantastic way that makes it taste absolutely delicious, and you're also getting a ton of other benefits out of consuming this. You guys, I know a lot of people do not like avocados, but you guys, if you could find at least one way to consume avocados on the day-to-day basis, they will help your body and your skin out so much. It is absolutely amazing some of the benefits that avocados have. So right now I'm going to share with you all the ingredients that she's been using. There you go. And first she's starting off with some onions. Now there are also a ton of benefits to onions as well. Onions contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation, and they also help to reduce cholesterol levels, which is a great thing, all of which may lower heart disease risk. So there are a ton of different benefits to consuming onions, and I know that that is something else that people can be very iffy about, but you guys, you might have a little bit of stank breath, just brush your teeth after, but they are so good for you in so many different types of ways. They can also help to reduce high blood pressure, so that should let you all know how much they help. Oh, and another great one, they help to protect against blood clots. So you guys, there are a lot of awesome benefits to consuming onions. Now, also in this mixture, there is some jalapeno peppers. Everybody is not a fan of spicy foods, but between me and my mom, honey, we love us some spicy foods, okay? And jalapenos are something else that are great for so many different types of things. They're rich in vitamins A and C, and also potassium, and so many different types of things. And they also help to fight against damage to your cells. So there are so many different types of benefits to consuming jalapeno peppers. Now she's going in with the cayenne pepper, and cayenne pepper has great metabolism boosting properties. It is so amazing for the body, you guys, and it's going to keep that tummy on flat, okay, and that weight in check, okay, or shall I say in check. You guys, cayenne pepper also has other benefits like helping with digestion, including healing upset stomachs, and also helping with stomach pain, diarrhea, and cramps. So there are a ton of different benefits to consuming cayenne pepper. I feel like I've said that a whole bunch of times this video, that there are a ton of benefits to these items, but there definitely is. You guys, pay attention to what you're consuming, because you all, there are so many items on the market that contain so many great benefits for the body, and I want my Glam fam to be healthy and to feel healthy and to be amazing and to feel amazing. So make sure that you're doing what is helpful to your body. And what is avocado dip without lime or lemon? So right here she's squeezing in some lime. If you are interested in this little device that she's using in order to do so, I will leave it listed down below. Limes are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which may offer health benefits. Eating limes or drinking the juice may improve immunity, which is great during this time, and also reduce heart disease risk factors, prevent kidney stones, and aid in iron absorption, and promote healthy skin. Now, I would say avoid limes if you are allergic to citrus fruit, but other than that, limes are amazing for the body and they're going to give you a ton of different benefits. So after you apply your lime, then we're pretty much done with our avocado dip. You can consume this with whatever you like to. You can consume this with any chips of your choice, and or you could have it with anything. Like I would say, you guys, you could also have this on a sandwich, however you like to consume it, honey. However you can get that avocado into your body, okay? So this was delicious, and I hope that you guys definitely try this out. So let me know down below which one of these dishes in this video that you will be trying out, or if you'll be trying out them all. I would love to know. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I wish you all the best of luck on your bombs gains journey, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.